Hey guys, welcome to my video. This is a second video in a three-part introductory series where I'm introducing the theory of spiritual induction. This is a spiritual theory, a new approach at understanding the human mind, the human psyche, looking at human behavior and trying to develop and identify patterns that govern our lives, our day-to-day activities, our relationships, our beliefs, our worldviews. I've been directed by the Holy Spirit to come forward with this information and share it with you at this point in time. When I talk about this information, I feel inspired. It's my desire for each and every one of you to share in my inspiration as I go through this presentation. What I don't want you to do is feel lost or confused if there's something that I'm talking about in this presentation that you don't completely understand. Basically, what I'm doing is talking about the same thing from multiple points of view. And so I'm trying to cover a lot of different areas while still keeping the same common denominator, which is truth, love, and unity. But I'm taking an approach that I personally haven't seen before, and I'm really excited to put this out there for people to see and benefit from. Please just take what inspires you and don't worry about the rest. It's not my objective to get you to understand everything that I'm talking about. My desire is that there's one word or phrase or concept in this presentation that really just inspires you to be better. The idea behind spiritual inspiration or being in spirit is you prepare a vessel that is open for information and transcendence, and usually it happens when you least expect it. And so my objective, the reason I'm making this video, is to give you a lot of little triggers that might create inspiration in your spirit. So if you don't understand some of the information that I'm talking about, that's okay. You really don't have to understand everything. It's just the overall message of the video that is important, and I'm trying to paint a really big picture here and explain to you guys some of these concepts in ways that haven't really been expressed in this particular fashion. Meditation and spirituality is something that I've always been drawn to. I put a lot of work into my meditative practices, and I also feel like I have spiritual gifts in those areas, which is why I feel compelled to come forward and share this information with you, because this is information that has helped me personally get through some really difficult experiences and times in my life. And what I hope to do with this presentation is allow you to overcome hurdles in your life that maybe seem insurmountable, but really they're not. And we're never given problems that we can't overcome, but we are given the choice to give up. And so if you're at a point where you feel like it's too much, maybe just give it a chance from a different point of view. And this video is designed to help you look at things from a different point of view, from a different perspective, and bring about peace, true peace and joy in your life and in the relationships around you. And with that, class is in session and the Federation is conscious.